Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well with the grace of Almighty Allah. So welcome to Heather Tech with new topic. Today we will configure IP telephone. Okay, IP telephone in packet tracer. So IP telephone, this is very important topic. Please watch this video from beginning till end and you will learn how you can configure the IP telephony. Okay, so now what we are going to do, so this is our router 2800 series router we have taken, and then we need to take some more end devices like we need IP phones. Okay, and this IP phone I will take two IP phones. Okay, for the time being I can take three, no issue. Okay, I will take two because I try to make the thing simple. And I also need the switch as well. So the switch we can take, okay, we have this switch 2960 switch. Now what we need to do, we need to connect the devices. Now from here to here we can connect FA00 to FA01, and this one I can connect to FA02 to my IP phone, okay, to the switch, and FA03 I can connect to the switch here, okay, switch to the switch port. So once done, next step is first we need to configure the IP telephony, plus I need to configure the DHCP pool in the router. Okay, so how I can configure the DHCP pool? First of all, I need to assign the IP address to this FA00 interface. Okay, so I will assign FA00 interface, go there and assign the IP address from here, no problem. 192.168, sorry, 192.168.1.1. Okay, so this is the IP address and this is the subnet mask. Okay, so once you have done this one, so write no shutdown and it will be okay. Let me organize now. Okay, now it is okay now. So exit. After that, what we need to do, so we need to configure the DHCP pool in the router. So these IP phone will get the IP addresses and the phone number from this router. Okay, so how it will get it? Get these IP phone the IP addresses and the phone number. How it will get it? Okay, now we can start our configuration. First, what the first step is, we need to configure DHCP pool. Okay, IP exit IP DHCP pool. Okay, so the pool name you can give any name. So in my case I will give Heather Tech. Okay, this is my pool name, Heather Tech. You can give any other name, it's up to you. So the network, I will use the same network 192.168.1.0, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Okay, the full class C address I am going to give like 255 addresses. Okay, so default router, so this is a default gateway, so my router is my default gateway, so I will give the same 192.168.1.1. okay, this is my default gateway, default route. Now I need to define option 150. So basically option 150 is a TFTP server IP provided by the DHCP pool in the DHCP server. Okay, so this option 150 is your TFTP server IP. Okay, so for IP telephonic we are writing all we always give 150. Okay, IP address. So what is the IP address of this my server, DHCP server? 192.168.1.1. Okay, so this is the DHCP server IP. Okay, option 150 and IP address. Okay, then so after that you need to exit from this interface and now you need to configure the telephony services for IP phone to assigning the number. Okay, so how you can configure the telephonic services? Now The step is telephony service. Okay, this telephony service is the keyword. You can use telephonic service. Okay, so this telephony service, after that you need to write max ePhones. Okay, max ePhone. So it means the router how many IP will support, IP phone will support. It means maximum ePhone. So it can support around 1 to 42, around 1 to 42 it can support. So maximum your router will support maximum 42 IP phones. Okay, so here you can mention how many. So it's up to you, because you cannot give more than 42 to the router. If you want to see, just write a question mark and it will give you the maximum phone supported by your router. Okay, it will only support 1 to 42. Okay, so in our case I will give 8, no issue, maximum 8 you can add, it's up to you. After that you need to write a maximum dialing number, DN. Okay, so maximum dialing number, also how many directory numbers supported. Okay, so it will, you can also write dialing number also. If you have 8 phones, so 8 dialing number, definitely it will support, it can support 1 to 144 dialing number. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to give the DHCP server. DHCP server will operate on which port. So I will write IP source address is 192.168.1.1. Okay, now I need to mention the port number. So this port number, so which port your DHCP server will operate. So you, because it can operate from 2000 to 99,909. So if you want to see, so which port number you can give, you can see, you can give any number between 2000 to 999. So it will, so your DHCP will operate on this port. Okay, so here you can mention any. So in my case I will write 2000. Okay, or 2001, 2000, or you can give 2002, 2003, 2004, up to you. So you can give any port. Okay, so this, please keep it in your mind, this DHCP server will operate on this port. Okay, 2000. Okay, now after that I will just auto exit, sorry, auto uh, assign, auto assign number 4 to 6. So auto assign number, we can say 1 to 5. Just quickly let me finish. 1 to 5 and exit. Okay, now what we need to do now, so now this here I need to give the number, so which number I need to assign. After that we need to decide our IP phone number. Okay, so we have done the configuration, now we need to decide which number I need to assign to this IP phone. So let's say this telephone, this IP phone I will give 101, and this IP phone I will assign 102. This is my phone number 2, so I will give 102. So it's up to you, you can give any number to your IP phones. Okay, so in my case I'm giving 101 to this IP phone and 102 to this IP phone. Okay, so now I need to define again telephony services. Okay, then I need to write. Okay, after that what I need to do, I need to write the e phone numbers. Okay, e phone e phone dialing DN. Okay, telephony services e phone. Okay, telephony services e phone DN dialing number. Okay, e phone dialing number 1. Okay, so e phone dialing number 1. So what is my dialing number 1? 101. Okay, so I need to mention the number is 101. So my e phone dialing number, so DN means the first phone, I assign this number 101. Okay, then the second one I need to give 2. Okay, and the number I will give 102. Okay, this is my second phone, I need to give this number. Second phone, so I will give this dialing number. Okay, so once finish, exit, and after that what you need to do now, you need to configure your switch. Okay, this configuration is finished, everything is finished. If you want to see, just write show run and you will see the configuration. And you can see here, this is your pool name and this is option 150 and blah 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 thing. Okay, we will test at the end, inshallah. So now we need to configure our switch. Okay, so how you can configure your switch, let me arrange, because we also need to configure our switch. Enable configure terminal. Okay, now range interface range 0 1 2, okay, we let's say 4. We can say switch port, switch, sorry, interface range, interface range fast ethernet FA 0/1 to 4. Okay, now after that what we need to do, switch port mode access. Okay, switch port voice VLAN 1. Basically by default we have VLAN 1, so these voice ports are also is the part of VLAN 1. Okay, so we are not going to create a separate VLAN for the voice for the time being. In the next coming video, yes, we will make a simple project by using voice over IP. Okay, so for the time being, I'm just using switch port voice VLAN 1. Okay, that's all. Now after that, yeah, what we need to do, so here you can see now this link is green. Now it is working fine. This link is also getting green, and but the problem here now, it is still red. Okay, so why it is red? Because here just we need to do one more step. See here, and just take this power and connect it here. You can see once you connect it, it turn green. Again here, connect your power adapter. Okay, this is power adapter you have connected. Now again it is connected, so just wait a little bit. You can see here, so now we can go for our testing. You can see now we will go for the testing now. So for the testing purpose, go to the GUI. You can see here it get this number 102. See, so it get, okay, because this is maybe the dialing number 1, and let me check this one, GUI, this is dialing number 1. Okay, so this is just it is just by mistake dialing number 1 here, and this is dialing number 2. Okay, so this is 102 if you will see, and 1 minute, and of that, sorry, just 1 minute, let me arrange and I will show you each and everything. Okay, now let me dial the phones and you will see now we can test now. So the number is 102 and this IP phone get 101 number. Okay, so from this phone I will dial 101. So 101, you can see here. Now click on the receiver and you can see it start ringing. So it start ringing 101, and you can see it start ringing. And now pick the phone and you will see now it is connected. If you will pick the phone, so it is connected. You can see. So this is IP phone configuration, and I hope you like this video. Please like the video and subscribe our channel.